several games here in London. There have been even NFL games in London. Now, logistically, how they work out the travel, yeah, I leave the bright minds to figure that out. But I think London, you have a great arena, great city, so there's no reason to think that at some point an NBA team couldn't be here.
Looking forward to tomorrow's showpiece then. It's the Detroit Pistons against the New York Knicks, and it's live from 7:30 tomorrow night. You'll see it on Sky Sports 1 HD and in Sky.